Hi guys, this is Thursday, June the 13th, and I got a couple of unboxing for you guys. One thing before I start, just to get some advice from you guys, my face is so oily and shiny. I have put powder on it. I carry powder with me. I do wear makeup primer underneath my makeup. I don't know what the heck kind of powder to use to make me not so shiny. It's horrible, as you can tell. It's just so bad. I am wearing my old glasses because it's hot in here, and my other ones just keep sliding off my face. So any suggestions would be greatly appreciated. Okay, so I am not a cook. Sorry, my scanner's on. By any means. You guys probably know that by now. I do not have a stove. My stove is sitting there, but it doesn't work because it got hit by lightning several years ago, and it just sits there, and I can put stuff on it. So I kind of want to get started cooking things again, maybe small things. So I went ahead and got me a hot plate, or I call it a hot plate, on Amazon. And the brand is Elite Gourmet Electric Single Burner Hot Plate. Now, my mom got me a real nice double hot plate one year for Christmas. And I think I used it quite a bit and it just kind of wore out. So never mind, you don't need to know. So I got this simple hot plate because I didn't want to mess with anything, too complicated. So, instruction manual, but this is what it looks like. Just a plain, simple hot plate that has a dial here for the temperature, and it's got the cord. So they had the kind that had the flat surface, but the one that my mom had gotten, give me that, Mom had gotten me, had the flat surface, and I just thought I would try a plain old simple coil. So I don't really think this is going to have this, it's going to have too much in here, blah, 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 how to use, I think we kind of know that. You know how these things work. This doesn't really have much in it. So I don't have any pots and pans yet. I have some coming from Walmart that I ordered, so we will do an unboxing of that. I really don't have much of anything. I just basically use a microwave, and I don't even have any dishes. I use paper plates, but I'm working on it. I'm trying to get there. So that is my hot plate. And I got a order from Victoria's Secret. I've been wanting a sports bra for a long, long time, and I've not really had any luck with them. And Victoria's Secret was having a huge, gigantic sale. So I ordered one online. And let's see what this order sheet says. It doesn't say anything on here. Well, heck, it's blank. I was going to tell you what kind it was. Now, I'm definitely going to have to try this on because, like I said, I have not had good luck with sport bras. So I will, let me open this package. I think I have my thing set too high. Is that better? Okay. Here we go. This zipper's in the front. And actually, it's all unzippered, so it's kind of messed up here. So I just figured that would be easy, taking it on and off. Especially if you're hot. Gosh, how does this... Okay. The zipper should not be this difficult. Okay, wait a minute. I see what this is. Okay, It looks like this opens in the front. So let me try. That's what it is. So actually, it looks like a bra. It opens in the front. That's different. I didn't know that when I ordered it. And then you have this part, which zips in the front. So that's basically what it looks like. And there's the back. That is something. It's a real bra with these flaps on the side that zip up. That's pretty cool. Because you know, sometimes when you have one, it's like small, medium, and large. This is actually to my size. So what is this called? It doesn't, it just says Victoria's Secret Sport. Knockout front close sports bra. Patented, I can't even read it, it's so tiny. Patented bra within a bra technology. Cushioned underwire cups for comfort and stability. That's pretty swift. So hopefully it will fit. Yeah, that's pretty neat. So there you have it. I got that today. So we will definitely try that on. And I'm going to save the sack just in case it does not work. You never know. How many of us have thrown sacks away and then we're like, oh my God, I need to take this back. Okay, this one is the star of this show because you know you've seen these everywhere on Instagram, Facebook, you name it. Celebrities, regular people are wearing these things. My sister actually had gotten one, and that's what prompted me to get one because I really liked hers. Now, how do you say that? Lululemon? I don't know. Let's take a look. I think you guys might know what this is. I got the 2 large bag. This is the Everywhere belt bag, and it is a size 2L, which is too large. And it is in the color berry, wild berry. And I just saw on Facebook, just advertised today. They said, oh, they have new colors. But you know, I looked at the new colors and I didn't like them. So I'm glad I got this. My sister had a black one, but I am not one for no color. I have to have some kind of color. So, but you know, you can wear it, I guess, 3 different ways. You can wear it lacrosse way. You can wear it around your waist, and you can kind of wear it on your arm. So let's take a look. So this is it without the plastic. And as you can see, this is pretty substantial. This is heavy duty. I don't think that that is going to be going anywhere. And so this is the front of the bag. You can unzip they have 2 zippers here. Let's see. To open this up. And the reason I got the large is because I got my phone, I've got my makeup, I got all sorts of crap I take with me, especially makeup, as you well know how I am with makeup. Now this is the other side. This has a 2-pocket little mesh area. And then this other side has a big mesh area. Boy, it's got a lot of room. And the back, it also has a zipper, like maybe in case you want to get to something really quick, and that is a deep, deep pocket. I am so glad I got this. Let's see, how is this? Wow, that is tight. That is not going to come off. And it is adjustable. So I really do like this. This was 48 buckaroonies, $48 for this bag. But you know what? I think if you take care of it, it's going to last forever. And you know, it would be kind of nice to go somewhere and just have a bag with you. I know you can't really see. Just have something with you and not carry a big gigantic purse. You know, I have gigantic purses, and you know, they do weigh down on me, and they are heavy, and my shoulder does get to me. So this is great. No, it was not on sale, but you know what? I am really glad I got it, because I know I am really going to be using this thing. And I love the color. I like that pink color. So that is all I have for you right now. I do have a couple of things coming to do some unboxing. Like I said, I have the pots and pan set. It has a detachable handle I got from Walmart, and the exact same thing was at Amazon, and it was about $11 higher on Amazon than Walmart. And I have some Govee permanent lights for the outside of the house. I can't think of the exact name, but I have that to unbox. I only got the 50-footer. I can't get up on a ladder high and do things because I don't really have a ladder. I have nobody to help me. So I thought maybe I could do it around my front porch. I need to measure to make sure. There's a lot to that Govee light set, believe me. So I'll be anxious to unbox that. I did get that on the Prime Day. I ordered my pots and pans set. Hey, stop. Hold on. Stop. These cats are nuts. From Walmart on Prime Day. I was going to get it on Amazon, but I found a set that was cheaper, so there you go. And I think that's it. So, oh, I got another thing. I got a countertop ice maker. Yes, I have it at the office. I didn't bring it home. I didn't get home till like 5:30 tonight, so I did not bring it home. I didn't want to mess with it tonight, but I do have that to unbox. So I do have some things to unbox for you guys. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I know I haven't given you the update of all the crazy stuff that's been happening. I just haven't had time yet. It's like I had to fit this in really quick to have time to do this. So my life is like really crazy right now, crazy busy. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you guys on the flip side.